AutoCAD software. First we'll go for AutoCAD software and switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Now first we're going to set the limits. So go to limits, LIMITS, specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210. Then go to zoom, enter and press A, enter. So and then draw a line, consider any point, and from here draw a horizontal line and by click on first button of the mouse. Again from here you drag the mouse into the top side. Again you just click on first button of the mouse and then press enter key. Then go to offset, take the distance as 297. This is the sheet size of A4. Select down this vertical line and offset to the left side. Again go to offset, take the distance as 210 and then click on horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom, extends E, then zoom 0.5x. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Again fillet between these two. Again fillet between these two. Once you do that, now we'll go for zoom window, select nearer to the screen and go to the text and here switch off the caps lock and specify start point. Click on this position and take the text height as 4, rotation angle as 0 and type the problem number 81. So here a straight line capital PQ 80 mm long appears to a length of 50 mm and inclined at 30 degree to XY line in its profile. Draw its projections when its end point P, capital P, is 15 mm above HP and 60 mm in front of VP. Point Q is nearer to VP than P. So this is the problem. Now first we will create the layer. Go to layer, click on new, mark this as XY and press enter key. Then go to new and here you type views and here you just I will delete this layer. Then go to new layer, then go to true length and then go to new and then go to locus. Now we will go for the changing of the line weights. Click on layer 0, make it 0.05 and say OK. Click on views layer and take the line weight as 0.5 and say OK. And click on XY layer of line weight and make it 0.13. Click on true length, line weight default and make it 0.25 and say OK. Click on locus, make it 0.05 and say OK. And on locus layer line type you click on this and click on load. Take the cursor here, line type and type D dash dot and say OK and click on dash dot and click on OK. Now the locus layer will going to have the line tab as dash dot. Then you close this. Now we are going to create the drawing. First we will go for a line command, draw a horizontal line and similarly you draw a vertical line. Then go to zoom window. Now we will going to take up offset 15 mm. You select this line and offset to the top side and offset 60 mm. You select this and take it on this side. And then go to line, draw a line from intersection point at the rate 100 less than minus 45. Then go to line and draw a line from intersection point and take perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. And go to line, take intersection at the rate 50 less than 30 degrees to X. He says 30 degrees to XY line. So that means it is 50 less than 150. Then you will going to get this line. And then drag this to the front view, then take line INT and drag this on this side, line INT, and from here you drag this. And go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two. Now we want to draw a line from nearest point on this and draw a perpendicular. So you get the line here. Once you get this, now we need to, so these are the points what you are going to get. Now in this, a straight line capital PQ of 80 mm long appears 70 mm and inclined at 30 degrees to the XY line. So now we go for a circle and draw from here intersection, radius of circle as 80, then go to break it this in anti-clockwise direction so that you will going to get this arc. Then go to line, draw a line from intersection point of this and to intersection point of this. Now we are going to get this. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a perpendicular to this line. And then go to circle, take intersection point of this to intersection point of this. Now we got line intersection of this to intersection of this. So now we got between these two. So we will be having a arc. Once you get the front view, then go to line, draw a line from intersection of this to perpendicular to this line, and then you are going to get the intersection of this. Now we got the top view. Now we need to find out the true length in the front view. So go to circle, take intersection point of this to intersection point of this. Then go to trim between this line and this line. Then you rotate. So then go to line, draw a line from intersection point of this to perpendicular to this, and then go to intersection point of this. So this is how you will be able to complete the drawing. Now we will going to write the other things. Now we will go to break this here. You have to break this here, and you have to break this till here. You have to break this till here, and similarly you break this on this side. You take it on this, and similarly you take it on this. So this is how you will be able to get this. Now we need to change the line thicknesses. So to do that, first we are going to consider, you break this line from here you till here. Then you just click on this and you click on this, and you mark this as change the layer as XY. Then press escape, then select this and select this, and you select this line and go to layer. You make this layer as views and you click on this, escape. Then go to this and this. Go to layer, you make this as locus, then change the line type to 10. So once you do that, escape, then click on this and you click on this. Then go to layer, you make this as true length and say escape. Finally everything has been done. Then you just close this. Now we need to write all other things. So go to D text. So here you mark this as capital X, you mark this as Y, and you mark this as X1, and you mark this as Y1. Then go to VP, then go to HP, and then RPP. So here you have a capital P, and here you have capital Q, and here you have capital P, and here you have capital Q, and then you type locus of Q, and here locus of Q. Then put up the caps lock and write P dash, and here Q dash. Here you have P double dash, here you have Q double dash, here you have small p, and here you have small q. Then you have Q1, and here dash, and here you have Q2, and here you have Q2 dash, and enter. Then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, X, and this is Y, and this is X1, and this is Y1. You have VP, you have HP, and here you have RPP, then you have P, then you have locus of Q, this is small q, this is Q2, this is capital Q, and here you have Q1, and here you have P dash, here you have P, here you have locus of Q, here you have Q dash, here you have capital Q, you have Q1 dash, here you have Q double dash, here you have P dash, and this will be Q2 dash. Now we will go for DDIM, go to modify, then go to primary units. So here he has not given any the problem to find out, so you make it decimal in zeros, and this is also 0, and say then come down to text and you make a text type as 4, then align with the dimension line, center becomes above, offset from the origin is 3, go to arrow size as 4 and come down to lines, offset from the origin as 3, and say OK, and say close. And dim vertical, take intersection point of this to intersection point of this, and you make it 15, then vertical intersection point of this and intersection point of this, then you make it 60, then go to dim angular between this line and this line, you make it this as 30 degrees, then TED, dim TED, text the dimension, you make it 30 degrees, dim aligned, select this, you make it this as 50 mm. Now we have dim aligned, select this, and you take this as the true length line of 80 mm. Now we need to write the projections. So to do that, so you will go to leader nearest. So from here you take it, annotation, options, none. Then go to leader nearest, you select on this, then go to annotation, options, none. Then go to leader nearest, you select on this, go to annotation, options, none. Then go to leader nearest, select on this, then go to annotation, options, none. So now we need to write leader nearest, you select on this and write annotation, options, none. Then go to leader nearest on this side now, go to annotation, options, none. Go to leader nearest, switch off the ortho mode, then go to nearest on this side. So leader nearest, select on this and you take the ortho off and you drag it and take annotation, options, none. Then go to leader nearest on this and take annotation, options, none. Then go to explode these two, this line, this line, this line, and this line, this line, and this line. Then go to erase this line, then this line, this line, then this line, then again this line, then this line, then this line. Now we need to go to nearest, select on the ortho mode, you select on this and drag this annotation options none. Then go to explode, select this, and then go to erase. So everything has been completed here. So this is how you will be able to write this, and then go to dim angle, select between these two and make this as 45 degrees, and finally you save the drawing in an appropriate directory. Go to AutoCAD, line drawing, so take P81 and save, and finally you exit